Hey y'all, Pawpaw here. Well, we're at another little old pond. Used to be a swimming hole down here, but I don't think a whole lot of people swim out here anymore. Super clear. Let's see if we can get this depth finder in the water. See how deep it is. Alright, we're only at 7 feet right now. Already marking fish. Marking a lot of fish. Got the sun coming up. Probably like 7 o'clock in the morning. I should have gotten here a lot earlier, but stuff happens. Set that right over there. It's already getting hit. Fish on. Little bluegill. Nothing to write home about, but got one. Another little one. Might even be the same one. Little bluegill. Alright. I don't know about y'all, but I want something that's got a little bit more meat on its bones. Got this old green and yellow Timu whopper plopper. See if we can entice something without catching a bunch of weeds. Something just bumped it. Got him. Got him. Fish on. Stay down. Stay down. Got a little one in the boat. Little one. Alright, let's see if we can get us a little release in this clear water. Going under the boat ramp. He's gonna be good. Well, y'all, alright, we caught one bass, little one. We released him. Got a couple of tiny brim. So this ain't a big pond. It's got a lot of fish in it, but we just couldn't really catch them. Maybe I'm using the wrong bait, wrong lures, I don't know. We'll have to come back and try again. But this is Pawpaw out here at White Double in Washington County, Florida, saying y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time.